I didn't expect to really get to do a lot of my own stuff in the lab, but they've really geared the internship and the experiments towards me and what I want to do. So I have a lot more creative freedom in the lab than I was expecting, which is really good because it allows you to make your own choices and also make your own mistakes and learn from them.
After UT won the national championship in baseball, I actually got to take a baseball, drill a threaded rod into it, mount it into the wind tunnel, and we ran that in the wind tunnel, which was really cool.
Being able to come here and do hands-on work with the micro thruster project that Dr. Muller has is one of the big things that I really like about it.
It's super personal in that respect. You get a lot more freedoms. There's also more responsibility, but I like that aspect of it.
It's just really given me like an opportunity to get that hands-on experience and see really what the aerospace field has to offer.
I'm doing a lot of work on different equipment. I'm not allowed to talk about a lot of the things I do, which is very cool, but not very helpful for this interview. So